In this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove and how you can change the lens of your Ray-Ban Meta AI smart glasses. Now, the first step is to actually remove the glasses themselves. And to do that, you want to turn the glasses so that they are facing forward like that. And then you're going to look for a specific corner on the lens. Once you found a corner, whether it's top, left, right, bottom, whatever it is, all you need to do is now just push on that specific corner as you pop out the lens. So go ahead and push like that, and the lens should come out. Do the same thing on the other end. Look for a corner, push until it pops out. Now from here, you can choose to change your lens to something completely different, maybe a color, or you just want to remove the tinted ones. Or if you are just planning on cleaning your lenses, you can go ahead and do that. Now, in order for you to return the lens, all you need to do is simply align the lens with its correct frame. Bear in mind that you can't tell which lens belongs to which part of the frame simply by looking at this curve. So if it's curved to look like that specific side, that's probably where the lens is supposed to go. So go ahead and just align the lens with that specific frame. And then you want to insert it in at least 3 areas. So for me, I've just inserted here, here, and here. Then in the 4th area, that's where you're going to push in the lens. So go ahead and do so. So just align so that it's inserted properly, like so, and then push in. It may take a couple of minutes for you to get the hang of it. And then again, just push in. And then just continue pushing in around the frame until you hear a click, snap. When you hear that snap, it means that the lens has gotten into the frame properly. So again, you can do the same thing on the other side. Just align the frame and the lens together, insert it in at least 3 areas, and then just push the lens in. Like so. And by doing so, you'll have successfully removed and changed the lens of your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.